YouTube. It's been a while. I know it's been a while, but I just wanted to come back and talk to you about Sisterlocks. Yes, it's been quite a while, but I just wanted to tell you about my journey, tell you about my book, tell you some good things, some bad things about Sisterlocks before you start your journey, but most of all, let you know that you should enjoy your hair and be proud of the hair that you have. First of all, I'd like to introduce you to my new dog. This is Money. Yes, the name Cash was taken by my daughter, but my new dog's name is Money. But anyway, the reason that we're here today is to talk about Sisterlocks, and this is my update. This is from June of 2010, and I started locking with very, very short hair. And as you can see, it has grown. It has grown, and I've had some issues, but overall, I love it. I am an author. I just want to let you know my book, The Real Good Hair, Natural Hair, Sisterlocks and Dreadlocks, you can purchase on Amazon, and I'll leave a link below for you to do that. But in the interim, I'm going to tell you 3 good things, 3 bad things, and 3 things to motivate you as you embrace your journey with Sisterlocks. The first bad thing about Sisterlocks is that it can be pretty expensive. So if you don't have the money, I would recommend Uber, Instacart, or any side hustle that you guys can find to save the money and get yourself a real Sisterloctician. I'm also going to leave in the link below the website address for a real Sisterloctician. And I recommend having 2 to 3 Sisterlocticians. The expense is pretty comparable to getting perms and or braids or any other treatments that we do to our hair. And I'm a little older. I'm 58 years old, so you can see the graying in my hair. You can also see the thinning in my hair, but overall, it's done a really good job for over 10 years. With the things that I do to it. I don't do much. I use very little product because that's one of the advantages of having Sisterlocks is that you don't need to put a lot of product in your hair. And as you can see, this is the comb. My hands. My hands are my comb. So I don't use a comb on my hair. The most I'll do is brush the sides. When I have my little bitty bees in the front, I will brush those and keep it moving because, number one, I'm not my hair. But as a mature woman, I like to have my hair looking nice. I'm going to show you a couple of styles before this video is over that you can do in 5 minutes or so. So I gave you the one bad thing, and that is that it's expensive. The other bad thing is that you can't take this out. You can see that as a bad thing because if you want to change your hair up real quick, you can't just take this out. But I'm going to show you. You can also do many things with your hair, the same things that you can do, with your, if you're going to be wearing extensions or anything else. So while I tell you the good things about your hair, I'm going to show you a real quick style as well. So some of the good things about your hair is that you can wash and go. So if you used to watch people in the past and see them, just style their hair and then go, and you wish you could do that, or you wish you could swim in the swimming pool and not have to spend weeks and months on your hair, now we have an answer for that because you can style and go. This is the real good hair. So if you do decide to embark on a Sisterlock journey, remember, you have good hair. And I know Chris Rock, he had his movie, The Real Good Hair, or Good Hair. I know he's going to come out with another movie called Good Hair 2. And that is the word 2, not the number 2, because this is good hair too. As you can see, as I said, I washed it today. And I'm showing you in a really small amount of time, or really little bit amount of time, you can style your hair and go 5 minutes. It didn't even take 5 minutes for me to do this hairdo. And if you noticed, I did not use pins. Okay? So we are the natural beauty. Alrighty? That's one good thing about good hair. And here I would brush my BDBs back, and or I would also use, you know, the little black gel that you girls, you young girls use. You can put that here, tie it up, and you would be flawless. I woke up like this. Yes, ladies, that's another good thing. Now, as you can see, as I said, I did that in a couple of minutes. I'll show you another hairstyle before this video is over. But I feel like I don't have a bad hair day because I celebrate my blackness with my hair. This is my way of being creative, and I love it. Now, you know, like I said, there's some things that, you know, you might call bad things. I really don't think that I have a bad day with my hair. So if you decide you want to go with Sisterlocks, do so. Enjoy the journey, and embrace your hair because you have good hair. And if you know Chris Rock, let him know that when he starts his next movie, Good Hair 2, that he should invite African Americans, specifically dark skin with type 4C hair, so that he can have the experience of knowing what it's like to care for hair like this. I promised you I would show you another hairdo. Then while I do so, I'm going to just promote my book. The book is called The Real Good Hair, Natural Hair, Sisterlocks and Dreadlocks. And this is the second hairdo that you can do. You just throw your hair all the way forward like so, and then bunch it as if you were going to put on a scrunchie. And then if you're left-handed like me, you can go left. If you're right-handed, you can go right. This is what I do to tie my hair up at night so that I, number one, look good for my husband, but number two, I'm protecting my hair. So the main thing in doing something like this is to be sure that you only twist one way, so that all of the hair is going the same way. This one I don't need to use a pin, but the main thing is to, you know, if you find any loose hairs, just tuck them under this one scrunchie that I had on my arm. So this one is with a scrunchie, but as you can see, I have just styled my hair for bed. Ladies, thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with the elderly. And gentlemen, Brotherlocks are really good. All of you have a great day, and don't forget to touch that like below, and also look for my book on Amazon by Linda Williams. The Real Good Hair, Natural Hair, Sisterlocks and Dreadlocks. Go for it, ladies.